Welcome to this cardio workout at home for weight loss. Whether you're trying to shed a few pounds, boost your energy, or just get your heart pumping, this 15-minute workout is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals without ever leaving the comfort of your home. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to hit the gym can be challenging, but that doesn't mean you have to compromise on your health or fitness. With this quick and effective routine, you'll burn calories, tone your body, and improve your overall fitness level all in just 15 minutes. In this video, we'll start with a quick warm-up to get your muscles ready and your heart rate up. Then, we'll dive into a series of high-intensity cardio exercises that are specifically designed to maximize fat burning and calorie expenditure in a short amount of time. Each move will be explained in detail, with modifications provided for all fitness levels, so whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, you can follow along and push yourself to the next level. After the workout, we'll wind down with a cool-down session to help your muscles recover and prevent injury. Plus, I'll share some motivational tips to keep you going, as well as answer some frequently asked questions about cardio and weight loss. Alright, let's get started. Before we jump into the workout, it's important to understand why cardio is such an effective tool for weight loss. Cardiovascular exercise, or cardio, is any activity that increases your heart rate and keeps it elevated for an extended period. This type of exercise burns calories, strengthens your heart and lungs, and improves your overall endurance. When combined with a healthy diet, cardio can help you create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. But beyond just burning calories, cardio also helps to improve your mood, reduce stress, and boost your metabolism. This means that even after your workout is done, your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate. So, not only will this workout help you lose weight, but it will also make you feel better and more energized throughout the day. Now, let's talk about what you can expect in this routine. We'll start with a quick 2-minute warm-up to loosen up your muscles and get your blood flowing. Then, we'll move into the main workout, which consists of 5 different exercises. Each exercise will be performed for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. We'll repeat the circuit 3 times, with short breaks in between. Finally, we'll finish with a cool down and some stretching to help your body recover. Let's begin with a warm-up. Start by marching in place. Lift your knees high and swing your arms to get your whole body moving. As you march, take deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on waking up your muscles and getting your heart rate up. Next, we're going to do some arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides and start making small circles. Gradually make the circles bigger, and then reverse the direction. This will help to loosen up your shoulders and upper back. Now, let's move into some side lunges. Step out to the right, bending your right knee and keeping your left leg straight. Push back to the center and repeat on the other side. This movement will stretch your inner thighs and get your legs ready for the workout. Finally, finish the warm-up with some high knees. Lift your knees as high as you can while jogging in place. Keep your core engaged and pump your arms. This will elevate your heart rate and prepare you for the intense cardio to come. Now that we're warmed up, let's dive into the main workout. Remember, each exercise will be performed for 45 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. If you need to take a longer break or modify any of the movements, that's perfectly okay. Listen to your body and work at your own pace. Jumping jacks. We're starting with a classic jumping jacks. This full-body exercise is great for getting your heart rate up quickly. Start by standing with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms above your head, then jump back to the starting position. Keep a steady rhythm and remember to breathe. Mountain climbers. Next up is mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, as if you're running in place. This exercise targets your core while also giving you a great cardio workout. Burpees are challenging but incredibly effective. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Drop into a squat position and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position, then jump your feet back towards your hands and explode into a jump with your hands overhead. If the jump is too intense, you can modify by standing up instead. High knees are a simple yet effective way to get your heart rate up. Stand tall and jog in place, bringing your knees up as high as possible with each step. Use your arms to help drive your knees up and maintain a quick pace. Squat jumps. Finish the circuit with squat jumps. Start in a squat position with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hips back. Explode up into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly back into the squat position and repeat. If jumping is too hard on your knees, you can modify by doing regular squats instead. Now, take a quick breather, grab some water, and get ready to repeat the circuit. Remember, you're aiming to push yourself, but don't sacrifice form for speed. It's better to do the exercises correctly at a slower pace than to rush and risk injury. Let's go through the circuit 2 more times, with a short rest in between each round. Great job! You've made it through the workout, and now it's time to cool down. Start by walking in place to gradually bring your heart rate down. Take deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Next, we're going to stretch out the muscles we worked during the routine. Begin with a quad stretch. Stand on one leg, grab your ankle with your hand, and pull your heel towards your glutes. Hold for a few seconds and switch legs. This stretch targets your quadriceps and helps prevent soreness. Now, let's stretch your hamstrings. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, bend forward at the hips, and reach for your toes. If you can't reach your toes, just go as far as you can while keeping your legs straight. Hold the stretch for about 20 seconds. Finally, let's stretch out the shoulders and chest. Extend your right arm across your chest and use your left hand to gently press it closer. Hold for a few seconds, then switch arms. To stretch your chest, clasp your hands behind your back, straighten your arms, and lift your chest up towards the ceiling. Before we wrap up, I want to share a quick story to keep you motivated on your fitness journey. There was a time when I struggled to stay consistent with my workouts. Life got busy, and I found myself making excuses to skip my exercise routine. But then I realized something important: consistency doesn't mean being perfect. It means showing up, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. It's about making a commitment to yourself and your goals, no matter how small the steps might be. I started setting aside just 15 minutes each day to move my body. Some days it was a full workout like we did today, other days it was just a quick walk or some stretching. But that consistency paid off. I began to feel stronger, more energized, and more confident in my own skin. So, remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Keep showing up for yourself, and the results will follow. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of this workout and stay on track with your weight loss goals. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Hydration is key to keeping your energy levels up and aiding in recovery. Pair with a balanced diet. Exercise alone is not enough for weight loss. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet that supports your goals. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, and try to limit processed foods and sugary snacks. Consistency is key. As I mentioned earlier, consistency is what will bring you results. Aim to do this workout or another form of cardio at least 3 to 4 times a week. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your endurance, strength, and overall fitness. Listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't push through the pain. It's important to listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Rest days are just as important as workout days for your overall health and fitness. Set realistic goals. It's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember that weight loss is a gradual process, and it's important to set realistic, achievable goals. Celebrate the small victories along the way, whether it's losing a pound, gaining more energy, or just feeling better in your clothes. Now, let's address some common questions you might have about cardio and weight loss. Can I lose weight with just 15 minutes of cardio a day? Absolutely. While longer workouts can burn more calories, the key to weight loss is consistency and creating a calorie deficit. A 15-minute workout like this one can be very effective, especially when combined with a healthy diet and regular physical activity throughout the day. Should I do this workout every day? It's not necessary to do the same workout every day. It's important to give your body time to recover, especially if you're new to exercise. I recommend doing this workout 3 to 4 times a week and mixing in other forms of exercise, like strength training or yoga, on the other days. How soon will I see results? This varies from person to person, but you can start to see improvements in your endurance and energy levels within a couple of weeks. Weight loss and muscle tone may take a bit longer, depending on factors like your diet, metabolism, and how often you're working out. What should I eat before and after the workout? Before your workout, it's a good idea to have a light snack that includes some carbohydrates and protein, like a banana with peanut butter or a small yogurt. After the workout, refuel with a balanced meal that includes protein to help repair your muscles and replenish your energy. Can I modify the exercises if I'm a beginner? Definitely. If you're just starting out, you can modify the exercises to make them easier. For example, you can do step jacks instead of jumping jacks, or do push-ups on your knees instead of full burpees. The important thing is to keep moving and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Thank you so much for joining me in this cardio workout at home for weight